is not just a show. It's actually a window. It allows us to see through the lives of weavers, of farmers, of artists and artisans across the Philippines. Kathabi is a movement. It brings to fore Filipino artistry and craftsmanship. At the Philippine Textile Research Institute, our mandate is on three things. One is, of course, textile knowledge generation anchored on competitiveness. We have to look at our comparative and competitive advantage to be able to put forward an agenda for textiles and textile development. Second is sustainability. Where do these materials come from? Where do they end? And looking at sustainability looks at the life cycle of all these materials, thus providing a new narrative for textiles away from what it is known for as the most polluting among all industries. And last, which I think is the most heartwarming, is inclusivity, where all are included and no one is left behind. Under our call for a competitive, sustainable, and inclusive textile industry, we have put forward Kathabi to encompass and provide to you a window, as I said, to these numerous developments. Textiles is a creative expression. It is also a means for creative expression. It is between so many supply and value chains, and we could only but realize its economic, social, and political, and even environmental value. Thus, tonight, Kathabi is here presented. Kathabi is a portmanteau of two words. For us Filipinos, of course, we know Katha and Habi. Katha means compose, Habi means weave. And as we have Kathabi, we call everyone to join us and to join this movement in a call to action. Sama-sama po tayo sa pagkatha ng dumadaloy na kwento ng agham, teknolohiya at inobasyon ng sining at ng kultura, at sa paghabi ng isang matatag, panatag at maginhawang bagong Pilipinas. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.